Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel Clear Voice English. Today, we're diving into a heartwarming interaction that many of you might find familiar, especially if you've ever felt a little nervous speaking a new language abroad. Let's take a look at a simple conversation on a plane that teaches us so much about communication and kindness. Imagine this: you're on a flight, and the attendant comes by. "Would you like something to drink?" they ask. The passenger, a bit hesitant, replies, "Water, please." A simple enough request, right? But then comes the follow-up: still or sparkling? Now, if English isn't your first language, sparkling might be a new word. The flight attendant, sensing this, kindly explains, "Sparkling water has bubbles like soda." The passenger, understanding now, chooses still water. This small moment is a perfect example of clear and patient communication in a service setting. It's not just about getting the order right. It's about making the passenger feel comfortable and understood. Next, it's time for food. The passenger asks for a sandwich. It's so close. The flight attendant, with a warm smile, gently corrects the pronunciation to sandwich while confirming the order. This is where the real magic happens. The passenger admits, "I'm sorry, I'm full of butterflies. It's my first time flying and speaking English on a plane." What a brave and honest thing to say. Using an idiom like "full of butterflies" shows a great grasp of the language, even if they feel nervous. And how does the flight attendant respond? With incredible support. "Don't be sorry. Your English is very clear. Keep practicing." This isn't just good customer service. It's a beautiful act of human encouragement. It shows how frontline staff can become unexpected language facilitators, turning a simple transaction into a confidence-boosting experience. This interaction reminds us that real-life situations are the best classrooms for language learning. The attendant's empathy and positive feedback didn't just provide a meal. They helped turn a moment of anxiety into a milestone of achievement for the passenger. It highlights the power of kindness and patience in breaking down barriers, one conversation at a time. What do you think of this interaction? Have you ever had a similar experience while traveling? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.